Hello and welcome to this requirement hubs to this channel about jobs. Friends, today I'm going to sharing about the requirements from Singapore. I hope you all of know that Singapore is an Asian country and it's a nowadays Singapore is a good location to get a job and to settle there. So friends, let's start. The requirements from Singapore is software engineer. I will share with you what is the requirements and what is the applying process and the basic needs to apply for these jobs. Let's start. Software engineer. It's related to Java, C++, up to 5K dollar downtown area. The opportunities. Our client is a Singapore established company focusing on digital data protections for regional banks as well as government agencies. This opportunity will allow you to join the ranks of experts ensuring this business digital properties as secure. To headcount based near Tanjong Pagar MRT Monday to Thursday 9 a.m. duty, Friday 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. So friends, let's focus what is the requirements to apply for these jobs. The talent. Point number one, only Singaporeans need apply. So friends, if you are out of Singaporeans also you can apply because I am getting collection some informations that if you are out of Singaporean and you're not in Singaporeans, then also you can apply. If your profile, your experience, your qualifications will be matched with the employer requirements, then they will obviously they will select you to interview. So don't be worried. Then strong analytical problem solving, communicational and interpersonal skills, computer science, engineering, or equivalent disciplines. At least 1 year experience in application development. Basic understanding of software engineering with Java, C++ programming language. The job. What is the job or what is the work responsibilities to work as a software engineer in Singapore? Point number one, work with team of developers in the creation of security software products. Build industry competitive data security program to security experts, develop and maintain applications, take part in software designs, implementations, and testing. So, friends, I would like to say here I am describing very shortly because the video will be long. So, my suggest or my request, you can go to the description under this video. All information is there. Please collect this information and read it carefully before you apply for these jobs. So friends, next steps. Prepare your updated resume. Please include your current salary package with full breakdown such as base incentives, annual wage supplements, and expected package. So when you make prepare your CV, you have to mention your expected salary and what is the current salary or current job salary details. Apply here and email your word copy resume to. I would like to highlight this email ID here. So please look focus this email ID. You have to collect this email ID from the descriptions and you have to send your CV and with cover letter also. Don't forget to send cover letters. So all shortlisted candidates should be contacted. Once your CV will be shortlisted, you will attend the interviews. Name Marcus Trading when direct line they already mentioned the phone numbers you can dial by using Singapore international code. They already mentioned the license number and registration numbers and also office address. So if you are interested to apply for these jobs, don't need to be worried. If you are not Singaporeans, you can apply for these jobs, no problem. And you have to send your CV to this email ID. Once your CV will be shortlisted, they will contact for you the interview. Software developer. Next position is software developer. Let's focus what is the requirements. They mention some organizational information. Point number one, equivalent experience working with Java, Node, Spring, and Hibernate framework as a developer. So if you are interested to apply for a software developer, you should have the equivalent experience with Java, Node, Spring, and Hibernate. Degree in computer science, minimum of 2 years of significant experience in writing and producing code. Web server integration like choosing soft XML, dedicated ability to work independently and with experience in PostgreSQL and MongoDB. The job, what is the job responsibilities? Responsible for building, crafting, and implementing new sections, features, content for new and existing websites. Point number one, participate in the development and maintenance of online and enterprise web applications software development process of new models into the infrastructures. Point number two, be involved in user requirements, capturing and translating them into the system design, working with multifunctional teams in the implementations, work with modern web technologies. This is the job. Or what is the work function? This is the work functions. This is the requirements to apply for these jobs. The talent means this is the needs or the basic requirements to apply for these jobs. The job means this is the work function, and the opportunity. What will we offer? You will get offer from the company. We are working with highly recognized global client with expenses plan to sustain their FESC domestic operations. 5 days work week 8:30 to 5:40 p.m. subject to overtime base and the project. Permanent positions, equal opportunity employer, value, diversity and multifunctional cultural, annual medical and dental benefits provided. As per the laws or as per the rules, they will provide the facilities. Next step, if you are looking for change of environment, new learning opportunity, a team of passionate developers, we love to hear from you to jay.eo or that adecco.com with your current and expected salary or call. That means you should have to make a note this email ID. I'd like to highlight it here the email ID. You can see here you have to collect this email ID from the descriptions and you have to send your CV. Otherwise, you can contact by this number to using the Singapore international code. This is the license number and office registration numbers. Let's focus next positions. Project manager in Singapore. This is a jobs for project managers. So let's focus what is the requirements to apply for a job as a project manager. The opportunities, attractive career opportunities to work in a leading marketing and events agency in Singapore. Open and dynamic environment, great learning opportunities. The talents, at least a degree, territory educations, at least 3 years of experience in events, marketing, and or communications. Agency experience will be a plus point. Point number three, experience and willingness to take sole responsibility and accountability in projects clients assigned. Great interpersonal and client management skills. Good understanding of marketing activities such as creative, print, digital, video, productions, and events management. Strong commercial management skills, good financial management skills, and understand how agency make money. So friends, this is the requirements to apply for this job to work as a project manager. Let's focus the job descriptions. Means what will be your work functions. Point number one, I would like to tell you some few points because if I'll describe all points, the video will be long. So sorry. So I request you please go to the description under this video and collect this information and read it carefully. Acts as the single point of contact and provides counsel to clients, take the lead in the entire pitch project cycle, including one-side executions, manage events and campaign deliverables, and coordinate with all relevant parties and suppliers to implement them on time, on budget, and on standards. Suppliers range from providers of technical equipments, venues, designers, web developers, video production houses, printing houses, PR, media, and digital agencies. Clients include senior level executives to marketing manager etc. So this is the work function or the job responsibilities. This is the requirements to apply for these jobs. This is the position, project manager, and the location is Singapore. So everything details in front of you, don't need to be worried. Next step, prepare your updated resume. Please include your current salary package with full breakdown such as base incentives and your wage supplements etc. and expected package. So the step is you have to make prepare your CVB professionals and you have to mention your expected salary and what is the current salary you are getting in the current company. Simply click on apply here, drop your resume or send your resume to both. You can send your resume in this email ID. I would like to highlight this email ID. You can see here or also they mention two email ID. So any of email ID or you can both email ID you can send your CV and you can apply for these jobs. This is the license number and registration numbers and the name is the with HR or recruitment officers. So friends, today in this video I already shared with you a requirements from Singapore. The position number one is software engineer, position number two software developer, position number three project manager. So if you are interested to apply for these jobs, my request, sincere request, please go to the descriptions under this video. I already provided all this information in the descriptions under this video. Collect these informations and read it carefully. If your qualifications, your experience, your talent is matching with the requirements from employer, then you can apply for these jobs by sending your CV to the given email ID. So friends, I hope this information will be helpful and needful for your careers. So in the next video, I will share with you the another new jobs, latest openings from another country. So stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye.